Hello success people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial uh how to like restore the project that you already deleted before. So sometimes we are deleting like a wrong project, right, when we are not focused, when we are like lost of focus. Sometimes we deleting the wrong a project. So how to bring it back, you don't need to worry that much. You just need to go into these three small lines on the upper left corner, and after that you just need to go into the trash button, and after that you can just find out which project that is deleted before that you want to restore to. So for example, I am accidentally like deleting this project before, so I want to restore this by just clicking these three small dots, and after that you just need to restore. Now the previous project is already back into your Canva. How to check it? Just go into the home, and voila, they already appear here. So that's all the way how you restore a project that you delete. So if you find that this video is got you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.